in Google Chrome that I just came across, and I wasn't even sure that it existed, but let me show you. It's actually called the split view. So if you right click on one of the tabs and click on add tab to new split view, and that basically splits two different tabs onto the same window. You can drag it and see both of the views. So you can select on this side the list of there'll be a list of other tabs. You can select this one, and then you can scroll through. It's good for if you're comparing one document with another one. It's nice and easy to use. The new icon that will pop up here will be arrange the split view. If you click on that, you can separate the view. You can close one of them, and you can just reverse it so it goes one side to the other, and then you can close one of the views and it will go back to the normal window. Hope this video helped. If you did, please give a like and subscribe to the channel.